Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya State Unit haga Khladnoh terik unailar kala pelong ya Sngewlem Sngewlem halor ke Khladnoh jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee ubalong menteri rang bakdu peningkong jong ke parti BJP hadien bakni ke parti kelayo benbat ya ulakam sensyar Hari India House Nam Khat Khandai Spa Khandai Punrio. Hagani ke Sngewlem ya unium nong elam jong ke BJP bala pelong ha office rekam jong ke seng hanong ba Shillong la penya Sngewlem dau ba Shibun Lingdo state president ke BJP haringkat ke jingan lang kinoelam bah khamat ke BJP ba kentup ru ya kinoelam jong ke Mahila Morcha bat ke Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha kabadi ke kunhun jong kisamla jong kani ke parti bat kiwi kinong kersan jong ke BJP ba Shibun Lingdo haba keren ha ke Sngewlem ulah keren bat yat huru ya ke jing jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee ha ke jili jong ke sain perthai tat adu ke Khladnoh bo onda Khladnoh nangani ke sla perthai.
Yesterday at 5 we got the message from our central office that Vajpayee is no more. It's a very sad for us. But as a party karyakarta, as a party workers, we are happy that yes, one day everyone should go. Everyone should leave this earth. But leaving a footstep, some others could follow. Now, we are in the footstep of late Vajpayee, and I hope that in his footstep, we'll be able to lead the country into a good and a developed manner so that our children in future will be praised and will be happy that yes, our father, our mother, our elders have given this their life, their days to lead the party in a good way for the betterment of the future of our children.